Hello viewers, welcome to my new video again. Today I will share local bamboo shoot recipe. So you will be needing some dry fish, baby bamboo shoot, chili and sodium bicarbonate and ginger garlic paste. So let's get started. So without skipping the video, watch till the end, okay? So I'll be adding all the ingredients at once and cover it and let it cook. It's the salt. I'll cook first for 2 minutes and then I'll be adding sodium bicarbonate. Now it's ready to add sodium bicarbonate. Just add a little bit. Sodium bicarbonate will make the ingredients soft and tasteable, so it's compulsory. So I will let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been cooked and ready to eat now. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.